Year 2020 brought the world face to face with the coronavirus. The disease caused by this virus is known as COVID-19. Fortunately, while COVID-19 is highly contagious, the mortality rate is low. The initial symptoms of COVID-19 are cough, fever, and shortness of breath. However, it may take anywhere between 2 to 14 days after infection for the symptoms to manifest. Now, how does the virus enter, spread inside, and impact the body? Coronavirus enters the body through the mouth or the nose. The virus is carried by the saliva, phlegm, or mucus of the infected person. When such a person, whether symptomatic or asymptomatic, speaks, coughs, or sneezes, the virus gets transferred through droplets on surfaces or directly into the mouth or nose of the persons in close proximity. Once lodged in the respiratory tract or throat, the virus moves to the lungs. This affects the ability of the lungs to supply oxygen to the blood and to expel carbon dioxide from the body. Coronavirus may also enter the blood cells and in some cases damage the heart, kidney, liver, and bone marrow, causing multiple organ failure and subsequently death. And yet, COVID-19 does not prove fatal in majority of the patients. What then is the best way to face this threat? As of now, there is no vaccine or cure for COVID-19. So the best way to be safe from this disease is to take preventive measures and to build immunity. How does one do that? Here are some very effective alternate therapies that work well with the treatment prescribed by doctors. Jalaneti. This is one of the Shat Karmas advocated by the ancient science of Yoga Abhyas. This involves pouring a steady stream of saline water through one nostril and letting it out from the other. It is advised to use lukewarm water with a pinch of rock salt. Before starting the procedure, check which nostril is relatively clearer and go with that first. Bend forward, tilt the head and let the water into the nostril. Breathe through the mouth as you do so. Now repeat this with the other nostril. This process protects the very first entry point of corona into the body. It also clears the nasal passage and the sinuses. Avoid exposing yourself to cool temperature or consuming cold beverages or food. Following it up with some kriyas of cleansing, shithilikaran or deep breathing proves beneficial. Regular practice of Jalaneti enhances the effect of pranayam on the mind and body. Pranayam. Indian culture has upheld the value of pranayam in holistic health since ages. The simplest form of pranayam is yogic breathing. Let us understand some terms first. Purak, Kumbhak and Rechak. Inhalation is called Purak, holding of breath is called Kumbhak and exhalation is Rechak. All this can be done while sitting or in supine position. The process of pranayam involves taking a deep breath through both the nostrils. Feel the belly filling up, then the chest and then the shoulders. As you exhale, feel the air leaving the shoulder area first, then the chest and finally the belly. Now hold the breath after inhaling and also after exhaling. This is called Kumbhak. This helps in utilizing the lungs to their fullest capacity and enhances their ability to take in oxygen as well as to expel carbon dioxide. This helps in raising the oxygen levels in the blood, consequently boosting immunity. Spending just 10 to 15 minutes every day to practice pranayam keeps lungs, which are the final destination of coronavirus, strong. Rasayan Chikitsa. When the earlier mentioned therapies are complemented by Ayurvedic supplements, they can do wonders to the body. ATRC has developed 2 supplements by picking and blending the right herbal ingredients. Rasayan Chikitsa entails the use of herbal essences and nutrients to augment immunity, improve digestion, and alleviate fatigue and pain. They also assist in eliminating toxins from the body. Several such herbal products have been researched, patented, and made available to users by ATRC. Pranic Healing. The corona pandemic has not only threatened our physical body or our physical health, but it has also disturbed our mental well-being. Pranic Healing comes to the rescue at such times. This is a no-touch, no-drug therapy. Often, the idea of a calamity gives rise to fear, which can rob the body of its immunity and allow easy entry to diseases. Pranic Healing treats fear, anxiety, and other mental issues very effectively. Diet management. Food is the building block of the body. Half the credit of the healthy body goes to right food habits. the experienced doctors and dietitians at ATRC design a personalized diet plan to suit your constitution. The remarkable feature of the plan is that it is designed to be sustainable. Naturally, its effect and benefits last a long span of time. Friends, although coronavirus has been a trigger, we must now acknowledge the invaluable benefits of these simple, easy to follow therapies, especially now. Do think about these therapies and make them a part of your daily routine. For more information, feel free to contact us.